And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:43 this morning, and the weather a little bit more unsettled across the country. The two stories that are the same from yesterday is still pretty wet in the west and still pretty snowy in the northeast. But then you have a warm front that's producing some additional snow showers in the northern plains right now. And then for us here in Texas, definitely a lot more clouds. That area of high pressure has slid off to the east. That's why it's the most quiet in the southeast right now. Where the root of these clouds are is actually way out in the Pacific. There's a little disturbance off the coast of Mexico that has a lot of moisture associated with it, and basically the upper level winds kind of ripping off some of that moisture from that system and bringing it all the way up here to South Texas. Mainly what it's going to do is increase the cloud cover, but there also are going to be some rain showers around. Not a particularly wet day, but showers are going to be around at any given time. In fact, one thing that Model N are doing a little bit is the stray showers we're already starting to see in parts of the upper valley. Basically from now through the rest of the day, I think there'll be a stray shower here or there somewhere in the valley, but notice that at any given time, not a lot going on. And with winds out of the south, we're still going to manage the low 70s despite all the clouds. Especially earlier this month, we talked about how the clouds were keeping us so cold. Well, winds were out of the north, and today the winds are out of the south, so we're still going to be warming up, but not as much as we would be if it wasn't so cloudy. Again, pretty good cloud cover across throughout the day. You might see a couple of peaks of sunshine, but if you do, it won't last for long. Still a stray shower around at 7 o'clock, and then even into tomorrow morning. Notice that, yes, the rain chance is still there, but again, look how much of the area at 8 a.m. is going to be dry. Now, as we go through the day tomorrow, though I think the chance of seeing rain is pretty equal across the valley today, I think the best chance tomorrow is going to be in Cameron and Willacy County. Still mainly isolated showers, not a washout day. In fact, I think it'll end up being a little bit warmer with highs in the mid-70s, but it's going to be yet another cloudy day. And even as we get into late afternoon, the early evening hours tomorrow, and a couple showers going to be around. I don't think we completely dry out until late tomorrow night, maybe around 1 a.m. or so. And then, though, we'll probably start out cloudy Friday morning. I think the sun will make a comeback Friday afternoon, and that'll lead to even warmer temperatures. Now, looking at how much rain we're going to see today and tomorrow, yeah, not that impressive. A lot of us, we're talking about a few hundredths of an inch, a tenth of an inch. I do think the best chance we're seeing more of a steady light rain for at least a period of time will be around Brownsville and South Padre Island. There, you could see closer to a quarter of an inch, but still obviously not very heavy rain and no flooding concerns by any means. So cloudy skies, a 20% chance of showers today. 73, maybe a couple degrees warmer than yesterday, but not much. Again, the clouds kind of keeping temperatures in check, even though our winds are going to be at 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the south. Looking at low temperatures tonight, even warmer than it has been. We're warmer this morning, but I think we're going to be even warmer for tomorrow morning, a little more humidity around. Still a 30% chance of showers tonight. Notice lots of mid-60s showing up, even some upper 60s closer to the coast. The only place probably in the low 60s will be out in Starr County. Now tomorrow, mid-70s, still a chance for isolated showers, still a lot of clouds. Though we'll start out fairly cloudy, I think, Friday morning. The sun will return in the afternoon, and that will get us back into the mid-80s. And then the 80s are going to stick around for a while. A little washed out front is going to try and work in here Saturday, but obviously doesn't do much. It only cools us down to the low 80s. Another cold front, though, arrives on Monday. That one will produce isolated showers. Doesn't look like a big rainmaker, but that one will cool us down even more. Upper 70s on Monday. And then our nicest day right now looking like Tuesday, mostly sunny with highs around 70.